Hi first graders, today's video will be very short. I'm just going to read the directions for you for the Unit 4 performance task. It won't take you very long. It's just a little extra something before we move on to Unit 5. So it's snack time at sports camp. Each team gets these drinks. So 13 bottles of water, 11 cartons of milk, 9 boxes of orange juice, and 7 boxes of apple juice. You have to figure out, does each team get more bottles of water or more cartons of milk? So you're going to look right here at the bottles of water and also the cartons of milk and decide which is more. Is 13 more or is 11 more? So on this line, you're either going to write water or milk. Okay, they get more water or do they get more milk? Okay, and here you can draw or write to tell how you know. What I'm thinking of right here is a greater than, less than, or equal to. You can either do that with the numbers or you can draw out the 10 sticks and the ones. Oops. Oh, okay. Right here it says draw the 10 sticks and the ones. So do that right here for the number of water bottles. So check in the chart here. We have water bottles 13. You're going to want to show the number 13 with 10 sticks and circles. Remember to ask yourself how many 10s, how many 1s. So number 3 says each team has 20 children. Does a team get enough juice boxes for everyone? Okay, so there's 20 kids, and let's go up and see how many juice boxes there are. Oh, okay, I see that there's orange juice and apple juice. So I think we have to add those together before we can find our answer. So you're going to want to do 9 plus 7. Okay, and you can do that right here to prove your answer. And then here, you're going to either write yes or no. Okay, so it says use the drink chart on page 199 for problem 4. So this chart right here that we were just working with is going to help us with this page. So we're looking at part A, number 4. It says the red team has 20 children. They choose 2 kinds of drinks. Show how many they might choose of each. Okay, draw or write to tell how you know there are 20 drinks. Okay, so let's go back here. And we have to choose 2 that are going to get us to 20. Okay, so if you want to look at this for a little bit, water's 13, milk 11, orange juice 9, apple juice 7. We have to come up with 2 kinds of drinks that are going to have enough to give to 20 children. So you're going to put the kind of drink. So here you're going to write water, apple juice, and you're going to write how many. Okay, there has to be 20. Okay, oops. Oh boy, sorry about that. Now we're going down to part B. Now they're going to make it a little trickier for us. It says the blue team also has 20 children, okay, but no children want milk. Show how they might choose other drinks. It says choose at least one of each. So we go back here. They don't want any milk. So we have to do the other 3, and these all have to add up to 20. Okay, so you're going to do water, apple juice, orange juice, and whatever 3 numbers that you choose, it has to make 20. And down here, you're going to draw or write to tell how you know that there are 20 drinks. So maybe you draw it with 10 sticks and circles. Maybe you make little categories similar to the chart, however you want to do it. So this is your job for today, friends. It's page 199 and 200, Unit 4 performance task. And I will see you tomorrow for Unit 5. Thank you.